Yeah, let's look at another application of equivalent fractions. So we can apply a concept of equivalent fractions to reducing fractions to their lowest term. So what do we mean by lowest term? Lowest term is the term such that nothing can no longer go. So nothing can divide both the numerator and denominator. No common number can divide both the numerator and the denominator. If fraction is like that, then the fraction is said to be in lowest term. So let's look at the examples one by one. Looking at 81 over 243, you can see that there is a lot of numbers that can divide both of them. I can go in both of them. Common numbers. For instance, 3 can go in both of them, of course. And of course, 9 can go in both of them. 9 can go in both of them. And in fact, 27 can go in both of them. And finally, 81 can go in both of them. So if all these numbers can go, then this number is not in its lowest term. We have to reduce it because that's what the question demands. So out of all these numbers now, if you want to go straight without wasting time, the biggest number, just go for the biggest number that can divide both of them. The biggest number that can go in both of them is 81. 81 can go in this once, 81 can go in this. That's just 3 times. So the final answer will be 1 over 3. But for the sake of the kid, for the sake of the small children who cannot go once, so we have to reduce this. First, divide this by a small number, such as 3. 3 can go in this 27 times. 3 can go in 243 in 81 times. So for the sake of the children, then again, 3 can still go in both of them. So that's the smallest number. 3 in this, that will give us 9 times. And then 3 in 81 will give me 27 times. So, and finally, 9 can go in both of them. Even the children can do this now. So 9 in 9, that will give me just 1. 9 in 3, that will give me 9 in 27 will give me 3. So definitely, at this point, nothing more can go except 1. So at that point, we conclude that this is the lowest term, can no longer go. So then for this, 150 divided by 100. So of course, 10 can go in both of them. In fact, 50 can go in both of them. But for the sake of, in fact, if we use 50, 50 is the biggest number that can go in both of them, which will give us the simple answer as to give us as 50 in this. That will just give us 3 all over 2. That's a simple way, fast. But for the sake of the children, they will need to first reduce this 0, cut. So we will be left with 15 all over 10. Cutting the 0 means you have divided by 10. So if you divide this by 10, you have 15. Divide this by 10, you have 10. Now, what else can go? Even the children, we know that 5 can go, 5 can go. So 5 in 15, that will give us just 3, and 5 in 10 will give me 2. So we can no longer cut. So this is the final answer. We have reduced to the lowest term. Now for the third one, 7 over 15. 7 over 15, which number, is there any number that can go? Let's think about it. Any number in 7 and 15? Nothing. None except 1. So that means this particular fraction is already in its lowest term. So the question is just the answer. We just write it back to them. So that means the question is the answer. This is already in its lowest term. So this is how we reduce fractions to their lowest term. Thank you for viewing this. God bless you.